Miss Bev, love the sound of the birds chirping away. Yes. Blessings to you. Yes, early start to the day because it is a little bit cool, not so hot yet. So I like to come out when it's like that. Dogs barking, yeah, in the neighborhood. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much, Miss Bev. Miss Bev, my channel member, I appreciate it. Guys, if you go ahead, if you have not yet subscribed to Miss Bev production, go ahead and do it. She has a lot of information. She recently moved back to Jamaica and she's giving vital information for those who are thinking about returning to live in Jamaica. Yeah, now, that makes sense. Yes, morning is better. Not You can't even do it in the evening. Even when it's 6 o'clock, 6:30, it is still hot and sunny. So this is the best part of the day to do gardening. Yeah. I know you have a little garden yourself. What's growing in your garden, Miss Bev? What do you have in your garden right now? Let me drink some water. Let me put it a little closer, guys. My tomatoes didn't give much love. The bottoms turned brown, but I enjoy cucumbers. That's good. Let me show you some of my. I hope you're still here. Let me show you some of my tomatoes. That's a vine in a pot. In a pot. Oh, sorry about that. Let me